Guys, it's Gina. If you are someone who really wants your teeth to feel extra clean in between dental visits, you need to hear about this toothpaste. So I want to thank the brand Izkut for sending this over for me to try out. I'm going to say this would be great for adults who, honestly, for anyone who wants a toothpaste that feels like it does more than just freshen your breath. If plaque buildup is something that you deal with, or you want help controlling tartar while still being gentle on your gums, this is a really good one to have in your routine. What I like about this is that it's focused on deep cleansing, so your mouth feels super fresh after brushing, but it also helps remove plaque and control tartar buildup over time. So I'm going to grab my toothpaste. I know it's important because sometimes you really want that extra clean feeling without something that feels too harsh in your mouth. And this one has a minty flavor, so it will also leave your breath smelling fresh and clean, which is always a plus, especially in the morning or before heading out. I also think it's a nice option for families because it works for everyone in the family. You don't necessarily have to have a bunch of different toothpaste sitting around on the counter. It's also one of those everyday products that can make your mouth just feel a whole lot cleaner and your breath's fresher. So brushing routine is more effective. One thing that I want to add is when you brush, I get that really fresh minty feeling in my mouth. It feels nice and fresh. It also rinses really clean, so your mouth doesn't feel gritty or anything like that afterwards. If you're looking for a toothpaste that helps with plaque, tartar control, and long-lasting fresh breath, this is one to check out.